Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best F-150 headlights is probably one of the most crucial components of your 2018 Ford F-150, ensuring both your safety and the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. Upgrading your headlights can significantly improve visibility during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions, offering a clearer view of the road and enhancing your overall driving experience. Whether you're looking to replace damaged lights or simply upgrade your truck's look, choosing the right headlights is essential. Number 5. ACANII Ford F-150 Black LED Headlights. Introducing the ACANII headlights, designed specifically for your Ford F-150. This pair of headlights will upgrade your vehicle's look and performance. These headlights feature a sleek black design with switchback signal LED tube projector. They offer improved visibility and a modern aesthetic. The ACANII headlights meet all regulations in the USA and Canada, and are DOT and SAE stamped. You can be assured of their quality and safety. These headlights are a direct replacement for your stock assembly. The lenses ensure full illumination and maximum safety on the road. Installation instructions are not included, so professional installation is recommended. Please note that a signature may be required upon delivery. We offer a 30-day return policy for your peace of mind. If you're not satisfied with it, you can return it within 30 days. What we like. These headlights feature a switchback signal, offering both style and functionality. They are DOT and SAE stamped, ensuring they meet safety regulations. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish upgrade, this is a great choice. If you want to enhance your truck's visibility and appearance, consider these lights. What people say. Fairly easy installation after reviewing a couple YouTube instructional videos. The light was an easy plug and play once you get the old ones off. They worked without any issues and I think they look great. Makes the truck a bit more modern. I have noticed with the automatic high beam off and on that it would turn on the DRL LED strip, so if you are having this issue, switch it over one to the left on your lighting selection knob and it should stay on. Installation was super easy and they turned out great. Number 4. ACANII Ford F-150 Black LED Headlights. Introducing the ACANII LED headlights, designed specifically for the 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150. These headlights are a perfect replacement for your stock assembly, ensuring full illumination and maximum safety. This set includes both the left and right side headlights. The package contains only the lens and housing, making it easy to install. These headlights meet all regulations in the USA and Canada, with DOT and SAE stamps. You can be confident in their quality and compliance. Designed for a perfect fit, these headlights are a direct replacement. Professional installation is recommended to ensure everything works correctly. Please note that a signature may be required upon delivery for orders over $180. Get yours today and upgrade your F-150. What we like. These headlights boast a sequential signal, adding a modern flair to your truck. They are DOT and SAE stamped for safety. If you like a sleek, updated look with enhanced visibility, this is the perfect choice. If you want to stand out on the road, these are the lights for you. What people say. Seem to be holding up well and provide excellent light and great look. The design is stunning, the sleek black finish and the sequential signal LEDs give my truck a modern and aggressive look. These are bright. Fit was perfect. Number 3. VLAND Headlights for 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150. These VLAND headlights are designed specifically for the 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150, 13th Gen models. They feature LED high beams, low beams, running lights, and yellow turn signals. This ensures a perfect fit and enhanced visibility. The package includes a set of left and right headlights, along with all necessary harnesses and a manual. If you're unsure about compatibility, you can easily check or contact us for assistance. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design, directly replacing your original parts. No splicing is needed, and the instruction manual is included. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. These headlights improve safety with brighter light output, especially at night. They also give your car a fresh, unique look, making it stand out on the road. The headlights come with a 1-year warranty and are DOT and SAE certified. They are made with high-quality materials, fully sealed, and resistant to water, dust, and corrosion, ensuring they work perfectly in any weather. What we like. These headlights offer a plug-and-play installation, making upgrading easy. They feature LED functionality for brighter and safer driving. If you value ease of installation and superior lighting performance, this is a great option. If you want a hassle-free upgrade with a modern look, consider these. What people say. They look great and function like they should, straightforward, easy install. They are very bright. They also work if your truck comes with factory halogen or LED headlights. Very bright and not too difficult to install, makes the truck look a lot newer. Funciono y lo cuido al 100% a mi F150 2019. Number 2. Headlight assembly for 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150. This headlight assembly is designed for the 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 models with halogen headlights. It is a direct replacement for the original equipment, ensuring a perfect fit. Please note that it is not compatible with factory LED headlight models. The assembly meets SAE and DOT standards and is fully sealed with solid silicone. It also features one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup. This design ensures the product's durability and reliability in all weather conditions. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses, it offers excellent protection against road debris and impacts. The high-impact shell is built to withstand shocks and vibrations, making it ideal for various driving conditions. Metal parabolic reflectors provide enhanced light output for wider and smoother beams. Side microprism reflectors increase visibility at night, improving safety for both the driver and others on the road. This helps others quickly notice you. The OEM part number is KL3Z13008C, and the parts link number is FO2503372. This ensures that the product is a direct replacement and meets the original manufacturer's specifications. You can easily find the right one for your car. What we like. These headlights offer an OE style, maintaining a classic look. They are waterproof, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. If you're looking for a reliable, factory-style replacement, this is a great choice. If you want a durable and safe headlight assembly, consider these. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The new headlights are brighter than the originals. The installation was easy and took less than 30 minutes. Number 1. Morimoto XB Hybrid R LED headlights for Ford F-150 18-20. Introducing the Morimoto XB Hybrid R LED headlights, designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2018 to 2020. These headlights are a plug-and-play solution, making installation straightforward. The package includes a pair of headlight assemblies, ready to upgrade your truck's lighting. This means you can easily replace your old headlights without any complicated modifications. Enjoy peace of mind with a 5-year warranty. This ensures that you are covered in case of any issues, providing long-term reliability. These headlights boast an impressive 2,800 lumens of raw intensity per headlight. They offer a significant upgrade in brightness, improving visibility at night. They are designed to fit Ford F-150 models from 2018 to 2020 that originally have halogen headlights. Make sure this is compatible with your vehicle before purchasing. What we like. These headlights provide high-intensity lighting for superior visibility. They come with a 5-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. If you prioritize brightness and peace of mind, this is an excellent choice. If you want top-tier performance and a worry-free experience, consider these. What people say. I love the way they look and the way they complement my truck. About the same brightness as my stock chrome housings with LED bulbs but with a much more defined cutoff line. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.